dear friends, welcome to our continuation of our treatment of figures of speech. Of course, as it applies to the West African Examination Council WAEC for the examination 2024. Now, yesterday we solved the questions F, G, and H so that we're able to put all the questions together, and then we're able to guide us as to how to solve those questions. Now, that yesterday something came up, that is the real meaning of metaphor. And so today we have decided to attempt the question of what a metaphor is. Okay, so let's start like this. Now, metaphor is one of the so many examples of figures of speech. And like I said, our approach to figure of speech at this level is to just give us examples and then sentence examples of such figures of speech. So today, let us try to define metaphor, and then we move on to answer the question for this year. Now, a metaphor simply means a direct comparison, that is, a figure of speech in which makes a direct comparison of two non-similar words, non-similar things or objects. Now, two words are very important here: direct and then non-similar. So direct means that you are saying that an object, let's say object A and then object B, are the same. But we know that in real sense they are not the same. It is just that there is a similarity, there is a particular attribute or quality which A possesses and then B also possesses. So when you say because of that attribute, you say A is B, therefore you are using what you call metaphor. Now, yesterday I explained using the example of John. When you say John is a pig, okay, you are not saying that John, a human being, of course is a pig, but because there's a quality which John possesses, which of course also the pig possesses, right? So because of that quality, you are saying what? John is a pig. Okay? Now, let's have examples here. For example, somebody says, time is money. Okay? Time is money. Of course, ordinarily, time cannot be money at all. At all. But because there's a quality time possesses, of course, which money also possesses, you can say therefore that time is what? Money. Very simple. Now, another one is laughter is the best medicine. Of course, laughter is not even human, it's just a concept, an abstract concept. But you are saying it's what is the best medicine. Medicine is an object we can touch and feel and all that. So when you not say laughter is the best medicine, you are saying that there's a quality which laughter possesses, of course, which also what medicine possesses. Just the same way. Then the last example here is a little bit complex, but I'm going to skip it. It says, I am pleased to meet you, or to meet your better half. Now, the word better half here, we shall come to it, okay? So, in a very quick summary, when we say metaphor, we are saying that two things are the same, even though they are not, because they possess some, or a certain similar quality. So that's metaphor. Now, let me also say this. From my experience over the years, teaching and then examining for WAEC, I've noticed that close to 80% of the questions on figures of speech